Hi guys, in this videos we are going to be checking out the top 10 best sushi making kits in 2022 that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video. Number 10. This of Sushi Making Kit. Once you get this product, you will be able to enjoy sushi whenever you want without requiring to step out of your house. The kit has an upgraded knife included. The perforated knife makes cutting up the rolls with perfection much easier. Not only that, but the blade is also non-stick so that the shape of the cut is not ruined. If that was not enough, this product also provides a stronger handle on the knife, and it comes with a metal harness, which has no chances of coming off. Besides, this kit is perfect for everyone regardless of whether you are an amateur or expert sushi chef. If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below. Number 9. Eileen Sushi Making Kit. This product will be great for any beginner to get started with preparing sushi all by yourself. It comes with a comprehensive user guide to teach you how to use the kit. Not only that, but it also provides a good number of sushi recipes so you can try your hands on a number of different items. The product is a massive set of 15 different pieces, having all that you can possibly ask for. More than that, this product keeps your safety in mind. Unlike other kits, it does not use glue to join bamboo mat. Pure and safe cotton threads are used to hold the mat together so you can enjoy your sushi without any worries. Number 8. Bamboo Men Deluxe Sushi Making Kit. When it comes to quality, Bamboo Men tries to provide you with the very best of what they can offer. The product promises to use 100% natural, premium quality bamboo wood for the mats. Therefore, it is free from any chemicals or other harmful substances. You can also take relief in knowing that the product uses pure cotton threads in order to bind the mat. Hence, it does not have any harmful effects on your food. More importantly, it comes with an 8 inches bamboo rice paddle. Thus, it becomes very easy to mix the rice. Number 7. Grow Your Pantry Sushi Making Kit. It is always better when one product has multiple uses you can benefit from. This kit not only allows you to create the best sushi but can also aid when it comes to making maki. The product being able to make maki will also help to save you money when it comes to buying make molds. Besides, this sushi making kit makes use of sustainable materials for all components of the kit. Therefore, it does not have any adverse effects on the environment either. Most importantly, it provides you with a 100% money-back guarantee without asking any question. So, you can easily get help if it fails to satisfy you. Number 6. Chef's Sushi Making Kit. If you are looking for best sushi making kits, then this one is surely an excellent choice. Eating sushi is much better for your health, but buying sushi can be expensive. With this product, you can make your favorite sushi at your home by yourself. Moreover, when it comes to maintenance, this product makes it a complete breeze. This kit is dishwasher safe, so you barely need to put any time or effort into cleaning pieces one at a time. Besides, the innovative bazooka prepares your sushi much quicker without requiring many skills. The product is free from any BPA for avoiding any toxic situation. Number 5. Delama Sushi Making Kit. With this product, you cannot go wrong. The product, with its exceptional performance, has already won hearts of many and claimed the title of Amazon's choice for itself. Surely it will have what you are looking for as well. Besides, this product is thoughtfully packed into Ziploc bags. Hence, you can use the bag to keep your small items clean when not in use. Besides, you will not lose any item if you keep them together in a bag. Most importantly, it makes use of natural quality bamboo in its construction. Thus, it is fully natural. Number 4. Yomo Sushi Making Kit. Innovation has a new name with Yomo Sushi. This kit makes making sushi a hassle-free task. You can create a row of sushi in no time without giving much effort or time. One great advantage of this sushi making kit is that you get to create 4 different types of sushi. It is able to help you with futomaki, maki, uramaki, and hasamaki, so you can try different types of sushi without requiring to go to that expensive Japanese restaurant. A special sushi cutter is added to the package, so you can say goodbye to the trouble of knives. The cutter gives you 8 to 10 equally sized sushi you can enjoy. Number 3. The Ledakin Sushi Making Kit. If you are just learning to make sushi by yourself, this product will be great for you. It is specially designed so beginners can enjoy the taste of perfect sushi at home. Furthermore, the product adds a really interesting Twist to the sushi. The molds provided for the sushi come in various cute shapes from hearts to squares. Therefore, you get to add a new element and even try your hand on bento boxes. With an instruction manual, you can be guided through your sushi making to get the best results. Number 2. Often Sushi Making Kit. For those who have been looking for a compact product, this can be your ideal choice. With its lightweight design, you can also carry the product in your luggage without feeling any bulk. Besides, it hardly takes up room in your kitchen, making it great for places with a space crunch. To make things more easy and convenient for you, this product goes one step further and has added video guide, which makes you learn much quicker with a visual experience rather than reading. Furthermore, it comes with 2 different types of bamboo mats. Thus, it becomes very easy to use to roll your sushi. Number 1. Funai Sushi Making Kit. This product is great for making sushi together with your family. In fact, it is the best sushi making kit out there that you can opt for. With 4 chopstick pairs, you can all eat it together. Besides, each chopstick pair comes in a different color around the handle, so you will never be confused even if you put your chopsticks down together. The product provides you with not 1, but 2 different sushi rolling mats. Furthermore, the sushi making kit makes use of natural and eco-friendly materials. They are also BPA free, making them completely safe to use. The premium quality bamboo wood of the mat is also really sturdy. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.